The symptom of the hiccups is a quitting mechanism, and right below the belly button, it's what you would call like the Orgonian energy, right? So if you want to go into like Willem Reich sort of psychology and that rabbit hole, but essentially there's probably something very deep there that the body's really trying to hold on to, and it's not willing to let go. So as soon as you start to get to that point, that's your point of discomfort where the body goes, and then the hiccups will come right back to make you quit. Something you can try if you do it again is do the vagus reset. I would suggest before you start doing it, prime the nervous system with some humming. So be a or growling through the back, 3 to 5 breaths, long breaths, and then go into it. And as you're pushing and the hiccups want to come back, force that grunt as well.